Alright, Chapter 4, Inspection and Maintenance. TM 55-285, War Department Technical Manual, Operation Railroad, General Instruction, Inspection and Maintenance of Rolling Stock. Chapter 4, Inspection and Maintenance, Section 1. This will be Section 1 and Section 2. General classification points. Normally, cars are classified either maintained with the interchange points, classification yards, both for the arrival and the departure. Loading points of the freight house with the industrial plants, of the military pole with the cars requiring the maintenance cannot be completed within time for the movement of the train will be cut out with the build to the shop of the repair track for servicing. Interchange point with the cars respect with the necessary maintenance of the form of the equipment conform with the Interstate Commons of Safety Application Regulation Association Maker Railroads governing interchange and loading. B. At classification yards, cars are inspected with the arrival of the defects requirement. The intermediate attention cars are inspected prior to the depart of the defects that may be prevented with the reaching of their destination and with the load. Inspection also made with the running gear, with the draft gear, with the bad and shifted and landing. At landing points, loading points, cars are inspected to make ensure that the cars are safe and suitable condition before the train is permitted to move. The inspection also determines the suitability of the car with the proposed loading, ensure that the rules are observed. Classification repairs. The shop of the repair points of the car repair with the pay with the class of the repair with the determine the number of man hours required to maintain the repair of the classification will include the applied labor of the personnel working directly on the car will not include the cost of the material and non-labor preparing material black shift maintenance shop air brake test room wood will etc. Repair will be designated light medium and heavy as follows. Light repairs labor under 24 and 20 man hours, medium repairs labor 20 hours or 50 hours, heavy repairs labeled 50 hours or over. Car inspectors. Section 2, Car Inspectors. Qualifications. Association of American Railroads has set with a minimum requirement of the test of the car. Inspect the car inspector's zone interior of the inspect with the car's interchange with the word pass. The test of the will made a grid 75% of the examination covered by the AAR interchange loading rules. War Department personnel with the inspect with the government-owned cars will pass the oral written examination consisting of the questions complied with a competent officer in the car department. 50. Responsibility. It will be duty of the responsible for the car inspect with the freight train yards to inspect all of the cars past judgment mechanical condition with the car with the ability to proceed with the destination. Classify with the cars for loading, stable with the commodity, with make all the necessary repairs if possible. The shop with the properly card all shop and properly card all the cars that cannot be repaired, and the train yard handling inbound with the outbound training with the inspection and testing air with the handbrake, the journal box with the inform of the proper person with the training, satisfactory condition with the departure of the duty of the responsible for the car inspector, the interchange job with the make inspection of all of the change cars handled through interchange protect the War Department loss for the obtainment of the defect with the car with the delivering carrier for any and all defects with the carriers responsible expedite with the movement over the freight with the having all of the cars in interchange with acceptable condition. Carry out all general local instructions pertaining to the handover of the cars of the interchange with its duty of the responsible for the car inspect with the passenger hospital cars make through the inspection with the car make necessary repair that can be accomplished without shopping with the car make sure the air and handbrakes are in proper work condition make sure the air conditioner equipment is operating properly make sure the car is iced and watered. Section 3 inspection all cars.